Demi Lovato, Tell Me You Love Me. Kind of a cool song. So, straight to the point, I'm a half step down. So, if you are tuned in standard, you have to subtract 1 from everything I'm doing. So, just play 1 lower and it'll sound the same. And I'm going to do all this with bar chords, so it really doesn't matter what tuning you're in so much. So, the first one is an E minor to a D major shape to C major. So it's like, oh no, here we go again, fighting over what I said. I'm sorry. So that's the verse, and you can pretty much strum that out when she gets a little heavier. And all my friends, they know that it's true. Don't know who I am without you. Got it bad, babe. Got it bad. And they add 1 chord for the chorus, and they change up the way they're playing it a little. But they basically add a B before the C. Oh, tell me you love me. I need someone on days like this. I do. So that's for the chorus. It's same E minor, D major, but then it's going to go to a B major to a C major. So tell me you love me. And then when she goes back into the verse, it goes back to the more drawn out chord style and the 3 chords, which are E minor, D major, C major. And of course you can make that with open chords too. I just like the bar chords, I guess. But so there you go. That's the song for you. Hope you enjoy it.